Hello friends, in this video I'm going to show you that how can you zoom in or zoom out a particular place from your video through using Premiere Pro. So it is very simple and easy work, and you can learn it in a very few time. Okay, first of all you need to select your video from right here. So by the way, this is your audio and this is your video. Okay, so select the video timeline and come here to this place, and here you have to put the two keyframes, one keyframe on position and another keyframe on scale. And then you have to play your video for a little time and then add another keyframe from right here. Okay, once you added all these keyframes, all these two keyframes, then in this keyframe you need to extend or increase your scale at what position where you want. Okay, and click on this position and drag your video and place the position where do you want to zoom it. So now you can see that I have zoomed at this. I have zoomed down this print option that you can see. When I'm going to stop this video, it's showing very clearly. But when I play this video, it will not show clearly because of the editing. It is an editing mode, that's why it's not clear. Okay, and when you export this video, it will be clear. Okay. So I zoom these 2 points, and now I want to zoom out these points. So again you have to select your video from right here and come back to this place and select or click on these two keyframes, and then play your video for a little time, and then click over there to add another keyframe and reset the position and the scale. Okay, so that's all about the zooming in and zooming out. Now you can see I'm going to play this video. You can see that it is zooming it very smoothly, and when I want to zoom it out, so it will zoom it out very smoothly. You can see it that it is zoomed in and now it zoomed out very smoothly. So that's all about zooming. If you learn anything from this video, so like to this video and subscribe to our channel for more videos like this. Thank you so much for watching.